We're here at the 2010 OneMedForum in San Francisco. I'm now joined by Hoji Alimi, CEO of Oculus Innovative Sciences. Thank you very much for joining us.
Absolutely, Bill.
I think the best way to start this is probably just with a brief overview of Oculus.
Oculus is an operating company. We are in healthcare market. We have a lead technology called microsyn technology that addresses pretty much multiple needs in the healthcare market, from wound care all the way to veterinarian, ophthalmology, and so on.
Okay, let's talk about that platform technology, microsyn. Can you elaborate on what that is exactly and how that translates into your different products, such as VetraSyn and so on?
Sure. Microsyn technology, it's a safe and effective compound to eradicate infection while there is no toxicity to human tissue. How many times do we see advertisements from pharmaceutical companies? They say, we got a great product, but the side effects are you will have cancer, you'll have this, that. This is the only product that doesn't have any drug-to-drug interaction or toxicity. As I said, it will kill MRSA, VRE, it will destroy any kind of fungi or bacteria. This is the only topical compound that has a triple action, mechanism of action. It will eradicate pathogens. If you use it in wounds, it will increase the oxygen flow. So especially for diabetic patients, it's very critical to establish blood flow so they don't lose their limb. And also, it improves inflammation. Those are the three things that you have to control in order to get a wound to total closure. That's exactly what this technology does, and it's the only technology on the market that does that.
Okay, given these anti-infective properties of this platform, how does that translate into use in pandemic situations such as the H1N1 breakout we have, as well as community-acquired infection you find in hospitals? Sure.
So let me just clarify. I'll talk science, but from a regulatory standpoint, I don't believe FDA has approved any technology to address H1N1 or anything else. But in the realm of science, what the technology does, it does, as I said, it will work against any type of virus, bacteria, or fungi. Therefore, you can use it for pink eye in the eye. It can be used. It has the potential to be used for infection in abdominal cavity. It can be used on animals. It can be used in biological warfare to prevent any kind of danger to soldiers. The use of this technology has many different types of markets. And what we are doing very cleverly is we started from wound care. We validated the safety and efficacy in 30+ clinical studies. It's been used on 1 million patients without any adverse events. But now we are moving into the derm. We are moving into other areas, one step at a time.
Okay. Now to a little bit more of a touchy subject. There's been some criticism in the media saying that your products are, quote, nothing more than diluted bleach. I just wondering if you have any kind of reaction to those comments.
I think they got one part of it right. Our product has chlorine, so does bleach, so does a lot of other products that they have chlorine in them. Bleach has been around since World War I. You can use it, they use it in some of the hospitals. You dilute it, you pour it into the wound. That's not anything new. But the differences are when you talk to physicians or you look at the clinical studies that we have done, the efficacy and safety vastly differs from dilute bleach. Dilute bleach is known as Dakin solution. And our product actually increases blood flow. Dakin solution doesn't. Dakin solution, you have to prepare it on site. If you don't use it, it will lose its efficacy. Our product is stable from 2 to 4 years in a bottle. You can ship it anywhere in the world. And Dakin solution or bleach is known to have resistance, just like antibiotics, because of the overall use of bleach or antibiotics. Now you have MRSA that is resistant to antibiotics. We have bleach-resistant bacteria in the environment. Our product doesn't have any type of resistance to it. So we are very different. You have different efficacy in clinical studies, and it's all being published in various countries, and especially in the US.
So I guess just kind of as a wrap-up, from an investor standpoint, what kind of catalysts or major milestones could we expect to see with Oculus in the remainder of 2010?
Well, Bill, 2010 is our coming out party. We have approximately 7 new FDA clearances we expect in the US alone. That will enable our company to launch our technology in the derm market, in the allergy market, in multiple other markets. So this is really, it's been a exciting milestone that we've been preparing for. In addition to that, we are also expecting additional approvals outside the United States. We have plenty cash to get us to break even and pass to profitability. And we are just looking forward to penetration of the market. And also, I'm really excited to see our product is actually in CVS, in Nob Hill, in any of the national chains, and is known as MyCleanse, is the spray self-protection pen. And so to see the validation of our product in the market is very exciting for us.
Haji, thank you very much for joining us.
Absolutely, Bill. It's been a pleasure.
My pleasure.
Thanks.
Again, that was Oculus Innovative Sciences. For more information, they trade under the symbol OCLS. You can also find them online at oculusis.com. More information can also be found at OneMedPlace.com.